This airdrop claim started on 14th of January 2025 and it will last till 14th of Feb. So if you are eligible, just simply open up the bucket protocol.io, and over here you need to complete these 2 steps in order to claim your airdrop. The first step is to borrow the buck using any collateral out there. Like, you would just have to open up bucket protocol, then click on this option of borrow over here, then select Sui or any other asset for that matter, and after that you need to borrow buck against that particular asset that you have. But you would be requiring collateral that can get you at least $50, otherwise you won't be able to borrow. That's the minimum. And after that, the first step will be completed. For the second step, you would have to deposit this buck and get S bucks in the savings pool. And for that, just simply click on this option of earn, then select the stable coin yield over here, and then select the option of buck, then select the maximum amount of buck that you have and click on deposit. After you deposit it, you would be able to see the complete green on both the sections or the steps. After that, you would be able to click on this option of claim. Simply click on claim. Now click on approve and you would get the airdrop. Now you can use this BUT and stake it, and you would be getting DBUT like this one, and this DBUT would be giving you rewards on weekly basis, and this way you can maximize your airdrop amount. And that's not it. You can also claim some other airdrops and participate in them, like this one over here. You can simply deposit the Sui, vSui, Deep or other assets on Sui ecosystem in order to earn the drops. And these drops can later be converted into Sui or buck. Like, it is not available as of now because it is still in the airdrop farming mode. So you can just farm as many drops as possible, then later convert it into buck or Sui. Buck is just the stable coin on Sui. And just simply check out all these different pools over here where you can deposit and the daily drops. Currently, buck has around 56 times boost on it. So you get around 21.43 thousand drops on the daily basis, and that's a lot as compared to the other pools on this platform. And there are around $1 million weekly emissions over here. So it all depends on the amount of liquidity that you have and the amount of airdrops that you can get using that particular liquidity. And these weekly emissions are for the drops airdrop as well as the staking of BUT. So just simply go for it and you would be able to earn the points. There are some good liquidity farming opportunities on Sui. If you want to know about them, then just simply comment down below and I will create a new video about them. I hope this video was helpful about the simple airdrop steps that you can follow in order to make some extra money. And if you want to see more such videos, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and also hit that like button. See you in the next one.